So I want to do a quick review on this cooling fan. I've ordered a couple of these, and one's going to be situated in the kitchen during the summertime because it's obviously a really hot room when you're cooking over a stove. And the other one is going to be outside on the patio, just on the kind of coffee table, just pointing at me in the sun. So this has got a 700ml capacity and it's dead easy to fill, so it's got a nice big filling area. And I've got some ice water in there at the moment. It's got 4 speeds, so you just press and hold to turn it on. And it's got like a little lever here so you can angle it how you want it to be. So I'll put it on the 2nd speed, 3rd speed. Okay, and then you can set the timer, so we'll have it on 4 hours. And then you can choose which mode you want it on. So we've got a natural wind, which is not incorporating any of the misting elements. Or you can have the cold, which is very cold. So that makes a huge difference. When all the water's gone, you don't need to fret about it. It will just automatically go back to the natural mode. So it won't run out. When it runs out of water, it doesn't cause a problem. And then your lights. So you can have all different lights on, like night lights and what have you, which is really nice. I don't know if you can see that properly in the daylight, but at the moment it's green and it's changing to blue. So it's very, very good actually, and I'm really happy with it. It condenses in the bottom, so periodically you have to empty that. But other than that, there's no maintenance to it. Just a quick swill out now and again and you're ready to go. So that is really, really cold. So the ice water really, really works. I would definitely recommend this. They are as cheap as chips, very affordable, well made. They've got a little carry handle. So it's portable, easy to use, quite quiet. Say that it's on the 4th speed, and I definitely recommend it. So I hope you find this review helpful, and thanks for watching.
So right, I'll turn the light on so you can see it's got water in it. Nothing.
I bought this cooling fan from Amazon yesterday and it got delivered today in the morning. I've been using it for the last 8 hours or so and I'm thoroughly satisfied with the product. It's amazing for its size and its price. It does amazing work. The cooling is really great. The noise levels are not that high. It's awesome and a boon to have on a sunny day. So I highly recommend the product. Go ahead for it.